Hey, 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 looking to soar your credit scores? I thought you did. Hi, I'm Nativa, the Frugal Creditista, certified credit counselor, financial educator, and realtor, and I have a bomb.com resource for you to begin soaring your credit scores ASAP. It's my DIY credit repair kit. And this credit repair kit is like none other. Not only does it come with a master credit repair guide, it also comes with over 100 dispute letter templates for almost any credit situation that you may have. It comes with 4 hours total of live instruction where I'm teaching you how to use the kit to begin tackling your collections, charge-offs, public records, and so much more. I'm also gifting you with 2 additional Q&A sessions so that you can review the kit, apply it to your personal credit situation, jot down your questions, and then come on with my team so we can begin helping you to further implement what you're learning. So this is a rare opportunity, and we're literally knocking off $52, I think probably $62 total, for a whopping $27. This is unheard of, and I'd love for you to be able to come inside for the Q&A session so we can help you soar those credit scores in 2020. See you then.